Actually, I need a bigger one.
No, you don't.
I love everything big. Hi everyone! Joseph, hold on. Look, you want to say hi? Look. Can you say hi everyone? Say it's today's day 1 of Vlogmas and we're gonna go buy bananas. You wanna go buy some bananas?
Bananas.
Yeah, what else?
Banana. Kiwi.
Kiwis and what else?
Banana.
Banana. Watermelon. Strawberries. What else?
Blueberry.
Blueberries. What else?
Raspberries.
Raspberries. Damn, you have a big grocery list.
Orange.
Orange. Yummy. Mmm. Happy Meal? No, okay.
Nope, I already had one yesterday.
Okay, so today's day 1 of Vlogmas, and I'm gonna do my intro right here because this is the only Christmas stuff we have. We haven't gone shopping for anything Christmas. Our house is actually pretty sad because we need the Christmas stuff, but you guys are gonna come along with us. Anyways, today it's freaking raining. It's a really gloomy day, and it actually looks sad. It's raining, Jose. Anyways, the whole plan for today is, so we are gonna do Christmas a little different this year. Make sure there's no numbers. And make sure I'm not blurred. So we're planning on doing Christmas a little different this year, and we are gonna do like a little white Christmas. So we got a cabin. We're gonna do all of that. So we need gear because we don't want to get frostbite or hypothermia. So we're gonna take you guys along to the store so we can go buy some gear, some boots for Joseph. Is it raining? Boots for my husband because that mother trucker does not leave those damn Converse behind. Jose, if he takes those Converse, I will throw them away, so he'll have no shoes at all. And Joseph loves the rain. Let me see your excavator sweater. Wow.
That's dumb.
Green.
But anyways, that's the plan. We're gonna go do a little bit of snow gear shopping. You guys are coming with us. This store is actually pretty cool. And then maybe a little bit of grocery shopping because we don't got no groceries here. The fridge is shaking in its boots. Anyways, let's go. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna go get us some gear. Joseph, we gotta get stuff. Look at this one. Do you want to get some dinosaur ones? Look. Should we get Joseph mittens or should we get him
The extra big that.
I would probably go for the mittens.
Look, do they fit you? Come, I'm gonna try these anyways. Joseph, look.
In public.
Who is it?
Stop.
I don't fit into
Stop
this.
touching,
Oh,
Mom.
but this is cool. I need extra inches. Look, Joseph, we got a sled. You want a sled? Yeah? No, it's not a boat, it's a sled. Look, to go to the snow. Put on your hands in here. Okay, take out the dinosaur. Take it out. Okay, put your hand in here. I want to see if it fits. All right, guys, so we came out of the store. We weren't able to buy everything that we needed, but we did buy, well, I actually just got myself something. That's because they didn't have anything for Jose. They didn't have anything for Joseph. I found something for Josiah. So I think I need to do a little bit of regathering back at home to see what we have. But in the meantime, I want to take you guys grocery shopping. Half of the footage was not recorded because Jose did not push the record button. Giant black berries.
Oh my god, that sounds.
And some giant raspberries.
And they have some giant Meatballs.
Actually, that's what we're gonna make for dinner today.
Well, you know,
Meatballs.
we need to get like a smaller camera because this one's way too big.
Actually, I need a bigger one.
No, you don't.
I love everything big. Can we get it like for the house and like decorate it?
Christmas.
How much?
know.
It's Christmas.
I know it's for Christmas. Remember how we said we're gonna like amp up the Christmas in our house because we have no Christmas spirit?
No, not that. That's a blanket.
I know, we can put it on the couch. Like over the couch like this.
Oh no.
Like the top part.
No.
I'm gonna take it. I show them like the area where I find all my cool gadgets. Right here. Like all the cool gadgets are right here and they're like, come on, and a prefer it? Pizza oven. It's a rock. You put your pizza in here. Every time I come here and I come across this big pop-up plates, it reminds me of that one time that I bought them. And I don't know, I think it was Jose who left it at the store, so I paid $10 for this big pop-up plate, and Jose left it at the store.
What does it mean?
The cool thing about this store, besides the fact that I'm just like distracted of all the amazing new things that they have up there, like a chip dip container, a little Kurgi, a big one.
Kurgi. Isn't it called like Kruger?
Keurig. I said Kurgi, that's a dog. That's embarrassing. Oh no, they have shrooms.
Shrooms.
Joseph, get up. Like shrooms.
Yeah, we don't want to advertise drugs.
It's mushrooms.
Oh, I thought you said shroom.
Mushrooms.
Oh.
What is this? Oh, it's like a little mini molcajete. I'm not even kidding. Look.
I can't wait.
This is cute.
I can't.
Black, juicy blueberry.
I
Look.
I
mean, have you ever seen that? Like, look.
I seen big black blueberries.
They're called Mighty Blues. I swear. Let's take avocado milk and avocado chocolate milk. 97 cents. 97 cents. But I don't think anybody wants to drink that. I know.
Did you say avocado milk?
Avocado milk. Avocado milk.
Yeah, nobody wants that.
Mighty Mango. $2.99. You can make a mangoneada with that. Mangoes. That wasn't part of your grocery list, but it is now. So for Christmas, you know how we get stockings for Christmas?
Oh shit, look, they have a big ass.
Can you give me this one? Yeah, or what?
Look at this one.
It's the same one.
Oh yeah.
I want the big stocking because I like everything. This is the type of turkey that your job gave you a gift card for.
Are the doors unlocked?
I'm gonna lock them. Alright guys, so I just did all of this grocery shopping. Now I don't know if Mr. Producer over there let you guys know, but we were actually at the grocery outlet, which happens to be my favorite store. So here's the deal, guys. Besides the fact that it's raining, it's cold. For some reason, our camera was not working, so we had to do a little vlogging through the phone, but there's no problem. We're finally home and it's still freaking raining. Oh guys, please excuse my grass. We are in California, we're in a drought. We do not waste water here. So this is all the groceries we were able to get right now. I'm gonna make me a quick sopa maruchan, guys, because I'm freaking starving. I got these sopas right now at the grocery outlet, and they're actually spicy chicken flavor. Oh, I hope they're not that spicy because these are the ones that I want to give to Jose. He doesn't do spicy. Today has been super hectic. I've been trying to capture as much footage as I can. This is the first time that we do Vlogmas, so it's kind of new to us. It's kind of new to my husband because, you know, he's a little on the embarrassed side, and he's like, everybody's staring at me, you know, recording you with the camera, and I'm like, ain't nobody looking at you, boy. Nobody. So, okay. Some more. We're gonna set our Friday on top. This is where our little spring roll. So here comes the hard part. How delicious. Make me mess it up. Do not pop. We have our finished Ooh. I'm gonna try my little fat little spring roll. I think the egg's still intact. Something popped. I can't believe I'm saying this, but like, share, and subscribe so you guys can see a little bit more. Today was the first day. It was a little rough. We had some technical difficulties with our camera and with stuff that I forgot. So maybe tomorrow, you know, it's a little bit more adventurous. Bye.